Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add digital signatures to PDFs using WPS PDF. Whether you're signing contracts, forms, or any other important documents, this quick and easy tutorial will have you adding digital signatures like a pro in no time. Before we start, if you don't already have WPS PDF, I've included a link in the description below to download it for free. Go ahead and grab it so you can follow along. Alright, let's jump in. First things first, open the PDF you want to sign in WPS PDF. Launch WPS Office and select the PDF editor. Click Open File and locate the PDF you need to sign. Once your document is open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's get to the fun part, adding your signature. In the top menu, click on the Protect tab. From the drop-down options, select Sign Document or Add Digital Signature, depending on your version. This will activate the signature tool and allow you to place your signature anywhere on the document. Once the signature tool is active, click on the area of the PDF where you want your signature to appear. A pop-up window will appear, giving you options to create or upload your signature. You've got a couple of options here. Draw your signature. Use your mouse or touchscreen to draw your signature directly in the app. Upload an image. If you already have a scanned image of your signature, you can upload it here. Type your signature. Choose a font style that mimics handwriting and type your name. Once you've created or uploaded your signature, click OK to confirm. After placing your signature, don't forget to save your work. Click File in the top menu and select Save As. Choose a location on your device and save the signed PDF. And that's it! You've successfully added a digital signature to your PDF. Adding digital signatures with WPS PDF is super simple and a great way to handle important documents without printing or scanning. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. By sharing this knowledge, you're helping others navigate the digital world more easily. Don't forget, the link to download WPS PDF is in the description below, so grab it if you haven't already. Watch our next video on screen on the top 5 incredible free AI tools you need to bookmark today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.